Hello guys, today I will show you how to remove or install the front fender on the Honda VTX1300R or S. That has nothing to do with the C. And every time I see that question on a Facebook group or on a forum, there's always someone who says, it's super easy, it's a 5-minute job. They're talking about the C, the 1300C. That has nothing to do with the R or the S. The C has about 12 inches long front fender, which is like a joke to remove compared to this fender here. That's the R. I got the R, and I believe the S is the same. The only difference is like the wheel package and some part of chrome on the R, which are not on the S, but it's the same bike. So according to Honda, to remove or install the fender, you need to remove the fork. And at first I thought I had to remove the fork because I scratched my head until the light came up. I had an epiphany. I just need to turn the fork, because you can turn fork separately when you remove the wheel. Of course, you need to remove the wheel to remove the fender. Originally on these bikes, they're reflector outside here, orange reflector on both sides. I removed them when I removed the fender because I learned it the hard way. And the reason why the fender doesn't pass is, as you can see, there are two holes where the fork are getting in. But because of the brace of the caliper here, there's no way that fender can pass there unless you spin the fork 180 degrees. So I will show you exactly how to do it. And as you can see, there's a metal frame inside the fender, so there's no way you can bend it in any way to help you pass it between the fork. And I will show you right now. Right now the fork are aligned like when you just remove the wheel, and it slide up till there, but right there. So even if I move on the right side a bit, I still hit it like midway here. Now I will install it, but removing it is the same way. You spin the fork, which has the caliper brace outside like that, and your fender should pass. There you go. And after that, you spin your fork back in the right way, and you put it down around. I'll put a bolt in the hole so it doesn't fall. There you go. There you go. And after that here, you just press on the fender and it slides where there's the mount. So now it's only left to tighten. This is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.